Hello! Martin Luther King Jr. Day is coming up, and we thought it would be fun to see how we are related to him. So, in honor of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, here's a tutorial to help you find out how you are related to Martin Luther King Jr. Starting at the home page of Family Search, we begin by clicking up in the top menu on Family Tree. Then we're going to click on Find in the drop-down menu. Next, enter his first names. We will include his middle name in the search. After that, we'd add the last name King and the Jr. if you want. Fill in his vital info, where he was born, and his birth year. Click search. Usually with this much info, the first result is the right one, and this is no exception. Click on his ancestor profile. You will see stories, photos, and other information. Click on View Relationship near the top, and it will trace your family line back to him. It tells you the degrees of separation up in the top left corner. He's the husband of my 12th cousin, Coretta Scott, his wife. Okay, that is how you find out whether you are related to Martin Luther King Jr. Like and subscribe for other fun tutorials like this one.